How to make Messenger Lite go into dark mode. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. So in today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can actually make your Messenger Lite go into dark mode, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So as you can see, I have the Messenger Lite app over here, but even if I go to settings, I don't have the option to switch to dark mode. That is because natively Messenger Lite doesn't support dark mode, but don't worry, there is a feature inside of our Android phone that we can use in order to get dark mode on Messenger Lite. For this, currently you can see I'm on Lite mode. I'll just exit out of it, then I'll go ahead and then open up settings on your Android phone. Open up settings, scroll and then look for the about phone section. Once you go to about phone, go to software information. No matter whichever phone you're using, you have to go to software information, keep that in mind. And in software information you'll find the option called build number. So basically on whichever Android phone, just find the option called build number and then multiple tap on it in order to enable developer options. When you spam tap on it multiple times, it will ask you for your confirmation pin, so make sure to enter your phone's pin over here, tap on continue, and developer mode will be enabled. Now once the developer mode has been enabled, you can come back, scroll down, go to developer options over here. Once you go to developer options, you can see it's turned on. Scroll down and then look for the option called force dark mode, because we have a feature inside of our Android phone that will enable us to force our dark mode, and even in the apps that are not supported. So in my case it is over here. It is on my Samsung phone. If you're using Realme or OnePlus or other phones, you could have it somewhere else. It could be written as override dark mode or something like that. In my case it's force dark mode. So you can see it says force apps to use dark mode even if not fully supported. All you have to do is just turn on this toggle now. Now even if the apps are not supported in dark mode, now what I will do is just switch to dark mode on your Android phone. When you switch to dark mode on your Android phone, what you need to do is just come back over here, open the Messenger Lite app, and then you can see it's in dark mode. Now keep in mind, if I turn off this option, which is the force dark mode option here, right? I'll just scroll down again. I'll just scroll down, I'll turn off force dark mode, and then if I come back and then reload the Messenger Lite application over here, let me just come back and then reload the Messenger Lite, you can see it's in light mode. But if I just turn on force dark mode and then make sure dark mode is also enabled on my phone, then it's going to force the Messenger app, refresh it again, open it, to go into dark mode. Even if it is not natively supported, your Android phone has the feature to force apps to go into dark mode. So hope this video helped you as to how you can force Messenger app to go into dark mode. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.